In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings in Roblox. So on your browser, log in to roblox.com. On the top right of your screen, click on Settings and select Privacy. In here, make sure you enable account restriction. And under communication, make sure that your option is selected to everyone or friends. And then when you're done on privacy, just click on the parental control. In here, you'll be setting the allowed experiences option to 13 plus. This will make sure that you can access all types of experience within Roblox. And for some users, they will have to enter the parent PIN in order to make changes to this setting. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.